Alright, Queer V here, doing my very first Artsnacks box opening, except it's like a previous box that I purchased from the store because they were having a sale, buy one, get one free. So I got 2 boxes and they're not labeled, so I don't know which one is which. I got July and April, so since this is the first one, I don't know which one I'm gonna get. The next video I'll know, but this one I do not, so let's find out which one this one is. It's right here. Probably should have showed it before I started opening it. Okay. Okay, got this. Got a Laffy Taffy banana. That's cool. I love this watermelon sticker. Doesn't focus on it. No. And okay, so it's July. This is the July 2018 Artsnacks box. And okay, so the thing I was most excited to get was this graphics ink, and I got this green color. It's pretty cool. Rosetta. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it's really pretty. Oh wait, I don't know. There we go. Yeah. So that's really nice. It kind of matches. It's like the exact same color as the tissue paper. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then got this cool watercolor paper, and I really like tiny papers, so I'm really excited for this. I don't know what I'll use it for, but I'll try to do some cool stuff with it. Okay, so we're gonna unwrap this and see all the cool stuff that's in here. It seems like there's a lot. I don't even remember what it was, but okay. There we go. Alright. Ooh, got this cool purple color to go with that green. The purple, it kind of looks a little blue on my webcam, but it's actually more of a purple shade, like how that cape looks. Oh, you can kind of see, it kind of looks purple now. But yeah. Okay, what else is in here? This Copic Drawing Pen, so that's cool. I'll read a little bit about them in a second. I didn't really focus, but ooh, this looks super cool, and it has like a grip, and it's nice. This looks really cool. I've never had a paintbrush that looks like this, and it's probably the nicest paintbrush I've ever owned in my life. So let's see what the menu says about it. Alright, so the first thing on here is the graphics Aqua Ink at a $3.99 retail. It says, Marabou has a new addition to their exciting graphics line, Aqua Ink. This ultra brilliant pigmented watercolor ink is transparent and highly light fast. Even after drying, the ink can be completely dissolved with water, making the creative possibilities endless. The bright hues can be mixed together, so pick up some more colors in the Artsnacks shop and get experimenting. Cool. I like that color though, it's pretty cool. Okay, and then the next thing is this that I'm really excited to use. The Molotow One for All acrylic twin marker. One for all. Ooh, $10.25 retail. Wow. Staff favorite. Oh, I forgot to say that the graphics ink was a new product. Okay, so this has 2 sturdy tips, 1 awesome marker. The Molotow One for All acrylic twin marker is filled with highly opaque acrylic-based ink that flows from 2 different tips, 1.5 millimeters on one end and 4 millimeters on the other. UV resistant and permanent on nearly all surfaces. This marker will be handy for a variety of projects. To begin paint flow, give the marker a good shake and then gently press down on the nib several times on your art surface. Cool. Okay, and then Copic Drawing Pen. It's really fancy too, a drawing pen. I wonder how big the thing is. Ooh. Oh, it's like a fountain pen. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Do the do. Come on. I'm bad at this. I'm so sorry. But it looks crazy. There we go. Oh no. Let's do that. Oh yeah. There we go. It's like a fountain pen. It's pretty cool. $5.95 retail. Get the feeling of a traditional fountain pen without the inky mess. The Copic Drawing Pen features a stainless steel tip, perfect for inking and drawing. Achieve a variety of line widths by simply changing your writing pressure. The water-based dye ink won't bleed when used with Copic products or other markers. However, it's not waterproof. Be sure to let ink or watercolor dry completely before using this pen over it. Good to know, not waterproof. Fountain pens always make me think of this professor that I had in college. Fun fact, I have a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry. I minored in studio art though. Well, one of my professors, chemistry, always, my favorite professor actually, he used fountain pens all the time. He loved them. They're his favorite. And his handwriting was really great. Okay, so the next thing is the cool brush. Okay, Museum Emerald Artist Brush by Weber. $5.99 to $10.49 retail range, depending on brush type. This is kind of big, so maybe this is one of the more expensive ones. I don't know how big they normally have. This is an 8. Sorry, I should have said that. It's an 8, point it round. So the Museum Emerald Artist Brush by Weber is truly a gem. Ooh. Its exclusive patented handle lets your fingers rest gently in the indentations to relieve fatigue and maximize performance. The durable synthetic tack-long bristles provide ultimate control and can withstand extensive use in oil, acrylic, and watercolor. It's suitable for various applications and techniques, so try it out with your new Marabou Graphics Aqua Ink. Alright. And then this is a bonus item. Bam. The Grumbacher, I don't know if I said that right, Watercolor Paper Sample Pad. This month we've included a sample pad of watercolor paper for you to try out for your new supplies. This 140 pounds cold press paper is excellent for wet media such as ink and watercolor. Whoop whoop. And alright. So cool. Oh, I forgot that there was like a joke. I remember that some of the artists on YouTube said that. Okay, so how do artists declare peace? With a chartreuse. That's pretty cute. I like dorky jokes. So yeah, I'm gonna end that right now, and at some point I will do a little thing, the Artsnacks challenge, and use all the stuff. Well, and we'll see what happens then. But I'm gonna end this for now, so see you real soon in that segment.